When research analysts gather data for further analysis, one of the problems they have is trying to process and analyze the amount of data that is collected. Enter something called Floodlight, the very smart software system using machine learning or artificial intelligence to analyze huge amounts of data and present those findings to scientists.
Floodlight is a software program that we developed here at Southwest Research Institute. It became necessary to develop an artificial intelligence technology to help us deal with the massive amounts of data we were collecting.
Part of how they analyze the data is something called supervised learning technique.
Which means that a human has gone and labeled the data in terms of what we should be teaching the machine. So in our case, it's Kristen and her team. They've labeled the data in such a way that we can teach the machine what it's looking for.
I can say in general that we are seeing many more chemicals in any given product that are listed on the material safety data sheet for that product. So there are many chemicals that are not currently identified. We don't know what is in all of these products. So having this software allows us to look at many different samples and get a very good statistical idea of what is truly in these products, so that decisions can be made about what chemicals need to be further studied.
The Floodlight software has revolutionized the process of chemical samples, saving time for the researchers and permitting them to come up with a solution much faster.
We're talking hundreds or thousands of chemicals and all kinds of products that we touch, smell, ingest every day. So things like personal care products and lotions and building materials, anything you can think of. So it became really difficult to work through all this data because of the massive amounts of chemicals that we were screening.
Perhaps the most critical solution is that the AI identifies patterns throughout the chemical analysis. So the researchers can look at emerging contaminants to get the jump on neutralizing them or preventing them.
What made this project possible and this product, Floodlight, is that we have the interdisciplinary team at Southwest Research Institute that we have. So not only did the machines learn, but I also learned a lot about chemistry working with Kristen and her team. So in order to make really informed decisions about what to study and what types of policies we need to drive with this science, we need to process a lot of samples, and that's the benefit that this technology brings to the table, and that's why it's a game changer.